Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this, we are going to discuss on the notes analysis feature of Dynamics 365 Sales, which is coming as part of Sales Insights. Basically, this notes analysis feature will help the users with intelligent suggestions based on the description in the activity. And if you see activities or the interaction or touch points between the customers and the salespeople, it can be a phone call activity, email activity, or appointment activity, or it can be any custom activity also. And once the interaction is done, the salesperson will enter the description in that activity record and he will save that record, right? And whenever a next best action or any follow up is predicted by AI, it will highlight the text, and from that text, the new activity can be created by the user. And all these things can be accessed directly from the timeline control of any form available within D365 Sales. Now, we will jump to the application and we will see how this notes analysis feature works. Now, I'm in Sales Hub application. To enable notes analysis, we need to go to Sales Insight settings. And from here, we need to click on Notes Analysis and enable this feature. And in this trial environment, I have already enabled sales premium capabilities, and that's why I'm seeing notes analysis. But in your environment, if you have not enabled, you need to first enable the sales premium capabilities. I will show you the other environment. So here I have not enabled the sales premium. So here in this environment, if I come to sales insight settings, I will be seeing an option to try premium. Only if you enable this sales premium, you will get notes analysis. Okay. Now going back to the previous environment. Now I enable this notes analysis and I will now go back to any contact record or any other record of D365 and I can create some activities and we will see how this notes analysis works. Okay, so I opened this contact record, Alex Baker. From here, I will create two appointments, okay, or two meeting records, and we will see how this notes analysis works. Meeting one, and this is meeting two. I have two meetings. Now I will open my meeting one, and within this meeting one record, I will update the description like this. Here I mentioned like the customer is interested in the proposed products, need to follow up the customer next week. Okay, now I will save this record, and similarly I will open the other meeting, that is meeting 2. Here also I will enter the description. Now I saved meeting 2. Now coming back to this timeline control. As I said earlier, what this notes analysis will do, right? It will look into the description of each and every activity that we create in the system, and it will try to provide suggestions. And if you remember, in my first meeting, I mentioned like need to follow up with the customer next week. But if you see the second meeting, we didn't mention anything like follow up, or there is no next steps required for the second meeting. Now you can see in my first meeting, I can see a highlight provided by this system. But in the second meeting, there is no highlight provided or no suggestion provided for the second meeting. So this is what the notes analysis will do. Now, in this first meeting, if I click on this suggestion, it will give me two options. Whether the system need to create a record, or as a user, I need to modify something, or I need to make some changes and then save the record. So if I click on this edit and create, it will show me the text over here as a subject, and then I can enter the due date, or if something I need to add, I can add, and then I can save and close this record. Otherwise, if I want to directly create the record, I just need to click on this create button. So if I click on this create, automatically a new activity will be created for the suggestion. See here, a new task got created automatically. So this is how this Sales Insights Notes Analysis feature will work. Thank you for watching.